Stargazers have found one more puzzling, super strong, rehashing radio burst, which could draw them one stage nearer to opening the mysteries behind the peculiarity. Another paper by a worldwide consortium of astrophysicists, which was distributed in the diary Nature this week, subtleties the new disclosure and depicts how it bafflingly discharges more vulnerable signs between its rehashing bigger explodes, something researchers have just seen once previously. What sets quick radio explodes? FRBs, surprising beats of radio transmissions radiating from profound space that have bewildered cosmologists for well north of 10 years, aside from other radio transmissions as their outrageous power and short length. As a matter of fact, the normal FRB discharges as much energy in around a millisecond as the sun puts out in 3 days. As per another assertion, we actually have no clue about what causes them. This most recent baffling radio burst named FRB 190520b was first distinguished in 2019 by a group of stargazers utilizing China's 500-meter aperture spherical radio telescope, FAST. From that point onward, the group has been attempting to pinpoint where the sign came from. As itemized in their new review, the researchers had the option to follow back the sign to the area of a Bantam universe approximately 3 billion light-years away. While most FRBs that have been found to date seem to have been unique cases, some have been known to rehash at customary stretches. What makes this most recent FRB so fascinatingly unique, notwithstanding, is the way that it additionally emits more vulnerable radio waves between its greater explodes. So far, only another distinguished FRB has done likewise, FRB 121102, which was first found back in 2012. As Caltech cosmologist and study co-author Casey Law told Space.com, the large treat for me was understanding that the new FRB is by all accounts such an ideal twin to a prior disclosure. The similitudes and contrasts between these two FRB disclosures will, researchers trust, be instrumental in finding exactly what causes them. I'm hopeful, co-creator Yu Wenfei with the Shanghai Astronomical Observatory told Space.com, that the FRB puzzle will be settled by exploring such outrageous FRBs.